Hello everyone, this is your Vedashwini. So I'm studying 8th class Sri Chaitanya Techno School. So today I'm going to make a physics activity. So our aim is to see the magnetic force. So the things we need to do this project is two needles and another needle and uh, two magnets, two needles and a bowl of water. So let's start the procedure. So now you should take a needle like this. You should take a needle and you should rub with a bar magnet, and I don't have any bar magnet, so that I have rubbed with a magnet with I have. This is the magnet which I have, so I am rubbing it with certain times. You should rub very roughly several times. So now you have roughed it and you can see the magnetic force. You can attract, the needle will attract to another needle. You can see it here. See, you can see the attracting. So now your first needle was ready, and the tip I have to say to you is, if you don't have a magnetic compass, you can see a magnetic compass device in your mobile phone, so that with your rubber magnetic needle, you can keep the first point of that needle to the north pole at your mobile phone compass, so you can see the compass will turn without moving your phone. So then you can see the north pole and south pole to your needle. And then I have plugged this white foam ball to the north pole of my needle, and you can see to the north pole of this needle. You can plug your white foam ball to the north pole of your needle, and you should plug the white foam ball only to the north pole only and red foam ball to the south pole. So I have did like that, and take your another needle and do the same procedure which I have done for the first needle. You can do it like that also, and then you can see that the needle was getting magnetized. You should rub the magnet to the needle several times, so that you can see your needle was magnetized. You can rub with the bar magnet also, and you can rub with any magnet, but bar magnet can show you the best result. So you can see how I did here. So this needle also magnetized. So I am doing the same procedure, the white ball to the north pole and red ball to the south pole. Again I am saying white foam ball to the north pole and red foam ball to the south pole. So here I don't have any magnetic compass, so that only I have tried with my mobile phone device. So I have did two needles, and so first needle and second needle. So we should put the first needle with foam balls in water, and when I am turning the bowl, but the white foam balls rest in north pole only. See, while how many times I am turning the bowl, the white foam ball will rest in the north pole only, and then I am keeping this one to see how they repel and how they attract. So you can see those are attracting and these two are repelling. I mean, red foam ball and white foam ball are attracting, and red foam ball to red foam ball was repelling because they are like ends. Red foam ball means south pole, and both south poles will repel each other, and south pole and north pole will attract each other. You can see the process clearly here. So yeah, you can see the attraction of those. Hence we can observe is the magnet exerts its magnetic force on magnetic substances, and every magnet will have a north and south pole which attracts each other. So the north pole will not attract each other, instead they will repel each other. So we can observe it here. Thank you.